2024 Hyundai Santa Cruz. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Additionally, you'll be more than pleased with extra features like these: cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, satellite radio, navigation, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, backup camera, tinted windows, running boards and/or side steps. Get pre-approved now and make this your next vehicle.